Alright, morning. Showing you a rib relay here. Reason why I'm sharing this is because I had one go bad on a job and ended up replacing it, and I'm going to show you how I went through about troubleshooting it. This one specifically, it's almost like you see more motor starters than you do rib relays, and it's really the same concept. So there's a little coil in here. We ended up putting 120 to it, so we put the hot on the black and white wire right there. Did not use the white and blue wire. It even says here connect only one. And then we put the neutral on this white and yellow wire. So that gave us power to the coil. So that's half of it, right? The other half of it, there are contacts in here. Right out of the box, install this. Don't put any power to it. The yellow wire, which is that middle line, and the blue wire are called normally closed. So right out of the box, those are making contact inside of this. And as soon as we put 120 to the coil, that changes. So then those two lose contact, and then the yellow and orange wire will be making contact. So it's almost like a three-way switch. So so that yellow wire will only be touching either the blue wire or the orange wire at one time, and never both. So the problem with the rib relay I had was it was not changing states. So it was only, I think it was stuck on normally closed, and no matter what you did, it wouldn't change. So let me show you. Let me get this set up. I'll show you. Okay, so the white-black wire on the hot, white-yellow wire on the neutral. You see it lights up. Try to be quiet if you can hear it engage and disengage. Okay, so in an energized state, let's see, yellow and orange should have continuity. That's right. And then as soon as this loses power, we lose continuity, and continuity should go back to the normal state, so normally closed. So yellow and the blue wire, you should have continuity. There we go. And so the reason, I guess the purpose of this one was controlling some lighting panels. So I've never seen one that big, but it was just a huge contact that would open and close the main feed to the panel. So to control that contact needed 120 to open, and it needed 120 to close. Normally you just need 120 to close it, but this one needed 120 to open and 120 to close, but never at the same time. So hopefully if you have to install a rib relay, that's what you're looking at. Hopefully that helps.